update, just a quick update, and are you there? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. You already know that today is going to be the second day of Nnamdi Kanu's trial, and we are looking forward to for the trial to begin any moment from now. But we just want to give you a quick update on certain things that happened before today's trial. Already, you know, the trial was adjourned, and the court gave certain orders to DSS, and the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Tuesday adjourned further proceeding in Nnamdi Kanu's case till Wednesday. And the adjournment, according to a report, followed the council's complaint that the federal government failed to promptly serve them. That's Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers. The fresh 15 count amended, they had to amend the charges, and it brought before the court. So a few days to the court's sitting, the federal government amended several of the charges, and Kanu, through his team of lawyers, now led by a tough lawyer, a tough one, Mike Ozekome. He's a son, senior advocate, and he told the court that the amended charges was served on them barely 24 hours to the scheduled hearing, adding that it is ambushing. And well, on his part, the prosecution team, led by Mohammed Labaran from the Federal Ministry of Justice, said he was not opposed to the court's granting a short adjournment to enable the defense lawyers to study the charge. Meanwhile, before adjourning the case till Wednesday, which is today, it's gonna take place today, the trial justice Binta Nyako ordered the Department of State Services, DSS, to allow Kanu to have a change of clothes, because he has been putting on one cloth. This was the cloth that brought him with the first day. You know, what kind of maltreatment is that? So the trial judge ordered a change of cloth for him. These guys are already judging him before the time, and it's improper. So the judge ordered a change of clothes for him before today's trial. We hope to see him in a new attire today. That was how it went yesterday. However, there is a news circulating, and I don't want you to really be bothered about the news. It's on the news. It's from this popular guy, Adjourned. He said he heard from a reliable source that Buhari wants to jail Nnamdi Kanu before he leaves office. You know, this is circulating right now. This is what is, you know, and people are like, but he made it in a post that was earlier today on his verified Twitter handle. He said he heard from a reliable source that yesterday that President Buhari wants to jail the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu, before he leaves office, and that he also wants to support an Igbo presidential candidate in APC. Is that really in compensation? He will jail this guy and compensate the Igbo people with. You know, these people they're not so much afraid of having an Igbo presidency, because they are sure of dictating to whoever is the president from Igbo extraction, because it will be their person that will put there. People like Oji Zokaro or Omar, they are not afraid. They are mostly afraid of when you talk about Biafra. So he would rather jail Nnamdi Kanu and allow Igbos to be president. And let's read further. I said he ended his post. This from Adeji Adenyaju. He ended his post by reminding Nigerians that the federal government recently amended Nnamdi Kanu charge. Yes, we already know that. This really a serious one indeed. Though the Adeaju may be making certain claims, you can't say this is certainly what will happen. Buhari is not the judge. Buhari does not have the right to jail someone, though in Nigeria we are aware the executive can influence court judgments. Yeah, Buhari is not a judge, but the executive do influence court judgment. But I thank God the world is watching. And I'm so happy with the man who joined the team of the defense team of Nnamdi Kanu's counsel, Mike Ozekome. He's a strong human rights activist. You know, I had some people saying, oh, why did this man make it to the team? No, no, no. Don't say that. And that man is a strong lawyer. He got what it takes. I know also, I am aware the judgment could be influenced, but then they will have a tough time in courts. If you want to pass certain judgment, you have some kind of evidence, some kind of credibility in what you are passing. You understand? So these guys, this team, having that guy in the team now, I'm very sure the team is stable, and you know, I don't say I don't trust in what's his name, Ejiofor and Jimako. No, I trust in them, but having other lawyers, this is a sign. Having people like that will help throw the weight. You know, the defense side will have a weight, and let's see how today's proceeding will go. Sunday, you are saying if you not work with Nigerian government, I don't think he will work with the government. No. Even if you go to some, not just foreign countries, here, there are times if you don't have a lawyer, the government can give you a lawyer. But this case, you hired him. So this is going to be a short update. We intended to make it short because the trial will soon begin. So this is going to be a short update. Add your comment, tell us what you really think about these developments prior to today's trial. Tell us what you really think. And we'll be going off in just a minute. Within a minute, we'll be off because what do you believe, Sunday? What do you believe? Tell me what you exactly say you believe. Tell me what you believe. Do you believe Nnamdi Kanu will be staked while will be compensated with presidency, Igbo presidency, then Nnamdi Kanu in jail? Do you think so? Anyway, add your comments on the comment section. This is where we have to draw the curtain for now. Like I told you, this is going to be short. We just want to give an update because we need to follow what is happening in the court right now. Thanks for staying around. Yes, he will not work with Nigeria, certainly. I don't believe he will work with Nigeria. I don't believe so. I want to go off. Thanks for staying around. It's like the stuff wants me to stay with you, but we need to go off. We need to go off. I'm finding it hard to log out.